Determine concavity, convexity of the function. Also determine quasi-concavity and quasi-convexity of the function. Let us try to do this question. In order to solve this question, what you will be going ahead and doing, you will be first differentiating with respect to x. So you will get 2x minus y plus 2z. You will differentiate it with respect to y. So you will get 2y minus x plus z. You will differentiate with respect to z. So you will get 6z plus 2x plus y. You will go ahead and double differentiate this with respect to x. So you will get 2. Double differentiate this with respect to y. So you will get 2. Double differentiate this with respect to z. So you will get 6. You will go ahead and differentiate this with respect to y. So you will get 1. And you will differentiate this with respect to z. So you will get 1. And this with respect to x. So you will go ahead and get 2. You will go ahead and get 2. Right? Okay. Now you will find d1x. d1x is nothing but f double dash x. F double dash x is giving you the answer as 2. Then you will go ahead and find out d2x. d2x will be f double dash xx, f double dash xy, f double dash yx, and f double dash yy. Determinant. So this will give you 2. This differentiation of xy is minus 1. And yx is also therefore minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1. And yy is 2. So this will go ahead and give you 4 minus 1. That means 3, which is greater than 0. This is also greater than 0. So now you will check the third leading minor. So principal minor. So d3x. And in order to go ahead and in order to do this, you will go ahead and create fxx, fxy, fxz, fy, x, fyy, fyz, fzx, fzy, fzz. So fxx beta, that is actually 2 for you. fxy is minus 1. So fyx is also minus 1. fyy is 2 and fzz is 6. So 2 and 6. Then you have fxz. So fxz is 2. So this becomes 2 and 2. And then you will go ahead and you will check the last value, which is yz, which is 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. Just find out the determinant. So you will get 2, determinant of 2, 1, 1, 6, minus 1. Determinant of minus 1, 2, 1, 6, plus 2, determinant of minus 1, 2, 1, 2. So this will give you 2. So 6 2s are 12, minus 1, 11, plus 1, minus 6, minus 2, plus 2, minus 1, minus 4, 22, plus 1, minus 8, plus 2, minus 5, 22 minus 18, which will give you the answer as 4, which is greater than 0. So all leading principal minors are positive. Therefore, we can go ahead and say that the function fxyz will be convex. Since it is convex, therefore it is automatically quasi-convex. So we can say that it is convex and hence quasi-convex. That would be the answer to this question. Okay, beta. Thank you.